So today we're bringing you quite a special video because I believe we just became the first company in the world to make the Oakley Radar sunglasses in prescription. And the reason that this was such a challenge is because not only have we got a really big and really curved lens, but originally this frame features a single shield piece. And what I mean by that is there's no break between the two lenses. And obviously when we wear prescription lenses, we need a separate lens for the left and the right eye. So we've been working on this for roughly 6 weeks. There's been many prototypes, but this is the real finished article. And it has a very small break between the left and the right, but it's extremely subtle, where you can barely see unless you look close. We were even able to include the vents, which stop the frame from steaming up in hot weather. So we're really, really proud of the outcome of this. The reason why we undertook this project was for a customer from Leeds who wanted the best shooting glasses possible. And what he found was that he absolutely loved the Oakley frames for the visibility that they gave him in terms of the panoramic vision, the size and the shape that they had. But what he didn't like about them was the lenses that were in them. Not only did they give him quite poor contrast, but they didn't include his prescription. And after a bit of research, he found us, and we do a lot of bespoke work on glasses and sunglasses, and we've been able to make it happen. So these have his full prescription in, a yellow lens, as you can see, which gives extremely good contrast, particularly in low light situations. He's going to be trialling these out, and then the plan is to make 3 or 4 other sets of lenses to match different conditions that he might be shooting in. So we're really, really proud of this. As I said, I believe it's the first time it's ever been done in the entire world. I'm happy to be corrected if I'm wrong on that one, but it's something that's so unique and so different. I can't see it having been done before. So I hope you found this interesting. If you've got anything similar that you want us to work on, we're more than happy. We love a challenge, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.